So hello guys and welcome back to Chess with Ayush, and guys, this is the first video where I'm using a camera. I hope you will be enjoying the video. And guys, today I'm playing some Lee on bullet games on Lee Chess. As you all know, Lee Chess is a really popular app for chess. Not playing on chess.com today, playing some bullet games. And guys, bullet here is completely crazy. The players are actually really tricky here, so hopefully we won't mess up. And now let's play some games. Playing 1+0 bullet. Okay. And guys, are you enjoying the shots I'm posting every day? So the game has started. I'm playing with the white pieces. I have to not get tricked by anyone. Okay, Fianchet doing the bishop. Okay, getting the queen out early. That's not what you do regularly. Take this pawn. He can't defend it anyways. Let's take this as well. Long castle now. Okay. I think I'll hit his. Okay, I'll take this. And now I'll move the bishop, exchange the queens. Everything looks under control. Go here, put this pawn. Okay, I blundered a rook. That's not good. Okay, I'll block this pawn as well. Get my rook here. Oh, no, the bishop here. Sorry. Okay, he's playing pretty well. 1600, 1650. I'm as well 1650 only. Trying to block his bishop. This knight is going to do a great job, and he takes it. Okay, that was a good move from him. Let's go here. Let's take this. I think he'll give me a check. I think. Yes. So that he's playing really well here. I'll give a check and take the rook. Okay. That was a solid move from me. Save this as well. Take this pawn. Get the king here. Everything looks under control right now. In the beginning I messed it up a bit, but now we look fine. Let's go here. Let's go here. Look here. If he does not take, he'll blunder. He'll go another pawn down, and that would not be ideal. We'll go here, guys. I don't want to mess it up on time. Check. Another check. Get it here. Okay. So he designed and we won the first game. That's pretty lucky of us. Like, camera first, and that was a crazy game. Like, the moment changed where I forked the king and the rook here. And that was a really good move. Actually, I found it pretty quickly in the bullet game. This was where the moment changed and I won a rook. That was a great game. Yes. So after the first game, it's time for the second one. Let's see if we can get 2-on-2. Like, we'll be getting black piece this time because we got white piece earlier, and Leech is pretty particular about this. Let's play the... Oh my god! He got into it. My god, I just stabbed him. Actually, I was going for the England gambit here, but he actually fell for something I was not even planning for. Oh my god, that was just amazing. Wow. Okay, let's go here. If takes... We cannot take actually there because then obviously he will be going pretty down. Give a check. Okay, what to do now? Why is the king here? I thought we castled. No. Blundered a rook. I think. Like, what are the plans? Okay, let's go here. Am I blundering something, or is it just him who is blundering? Okay, I see his nasty ideas. I'll be getting my rook in this file. Let's go here. He takes, I take back. Oh my god, I almost blundered the queen. Let's take this, guys. I have to be really careful. I'm a lot of material up, but still I'm not feeling comfortable in this position. I don't know what is going on. Okay, I can push this pawn, and the queen does not have a lot of good squares now after the knight comes in. Okay, I'll take this queen first. Like, that was not a good move, but okay. Now we are in a big trouble, guys. The time is also less. Oh my god. We have to go T moves after Q. Okay, have to save this first. I don't think he can save this pawn, so I'll pre-move this, or can he? I'm just pre-moving it. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's block it and take his rook. My god. To just make pre-moves now. What he designed? That was not a designable position, man. Why did you design it? Like, he was 5 seconds up on time. He could have won on time. I think it's just our luck which is going really good now. So 2 on 2. Let's see what happens in the third game now. I have planned that we'll be playing only 3 games. 2 on 2. I thought that they were really good at bullet, but it's looking like the opposite right now. I played e4. Let's go here. Like, it's just a pre-move, guys. I always go knight f3, so it's just a pre-move. Is the game going to abort? I think I'll just abort the game because my opponent is just offline, so I won't waste any time. And guys, are you enjoying the video? Hit the like button and subscribe as well. The games are really fun here. If you want, I can do a part 2 of this as well because I'm enjoying this really a lot. Bullet, I always love to play bullets. The last game was just crazy, guys. Like, how did I win that? Let's just move the knight. It's a discover attack. Okay, let's go here. Take the bishop, maybe. Yes. Okay, that was a pawn blunder. That was not good. Hitting his rook. Can he see it? Yes, sees it. Okay. I'm trying to launch. Oh my god. Why did I put my knight there? He can simply now take it. And I will have a bad structure. I'll take his bishop and now simply castle. Now everything looks under control. Let's take this as well. Takes with the knight. I thought that he'll take with the pawn and I'll go bishop g5, but I went there anyway, so okay. Let's get a rook in the game. Okay, let's take his knight. Like, I want to just simplify the position. I don't know why. I'm not really into. Okay, what are the idea? You just block your pawn. Double up the rook. I think I'll take because this isolated pawn, he cannot save it, or maybe it will be really difficult for him to save it. Yeah, I'm trying to get my king now in the game because his rook is actually really passive now. I'll take with this pawn or that. I'm not sure about that, but I'm a pawn up and everything looks under control. I'll go this side. This is a crazy endgame, guys. Even I am unsure that who is going to win this. Oh my god. Okay, he is going to win this clearly. Until he blunders something really big, and that won't be really nice for him. But I'm sure that he cannot blunder something so big that. Okay, can we still go for stalemate? It's very difficult, so I'm trying to not get cornered here, but he's doing it really well. Guys, I'm trying for stalemates, but I always. Oh my god! What? Stalemate! My god, I got stalemated. Like, we are getting really lucky today. I think that is a good way to end the video. Stalemate, guys. If you don't know, guys, my 30% of lost games are actually stalemates. I think that's what the analysis says. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the game, guys. I got stalemated. I hope you can see it here. So guys, bye bye, and share the video and subscribe for more.